Pipedrive CRM Tutorial 2023, How to use Pipedrive for Beginners. Hi there, today we'll learn more or get to know Pipedrive in order for this to help you grow your business here. So when you go to pipedrive.com, this is what will welcome you, where this is how it works. First, you need to set up your pipeline. You can track your progress and then you can automate growth. So here are the features where you will be able to visualize your sales pipeline. It allows you to customize your pipeline and it also cater team collaboration. Not only that, this also gives you reminders on your activities that you will schedule and segment leads as well. So this also has a revenue forecasting, reports and dashboard, and web forms. So for us to begin, what we can do here is we can create our account here on the website. Then what we can do here is that we can click on try it free. They actually have a free plan for this platform, or you can click on the upper right corner of the screen where you can try Pipedrive for 14 days. And you just need to input your work email for this, or you can sign in with LinkedIn or your Google account. Just click on what account you want that to be. And then here you just need to input your name, and then you will be creating your password, and you'll also need to input your phone number as well. And here you just need to agree to the terms, conditions, and the policies. And then you just let Pipedrive know more about you, on what's your job role. It also asks for what are your goals for this. So just click on other here, and then they will be asking on what is your experience with sales tools. So I'll just click on I haven't used any sales tools before. And then they will ask you, and what do you want to do first? So you can choose whether close deals faster, find new leads, manage relationship better, set goals and track progress, or set a team and permissions. So you can choose either of the following, and then click on next, and then you just need to input the name of your company, on how many employees you have, and what industry your company belongs to. Here you can input how many people you have in your company, and don't forget to add your company name as well. Then click on next once everything is filled out, and then Pipedrive will be creating your account. Allow it to load. And here you will be able to see on the process or how to get started. So you can track your data, you can build overview, and even share these informations as well. So here, as you can see on the left side panel, this is your navigation tools. And on this part here, this will be the details or the sub tools that you can make use of. So for example, we click on this first icon. This is where you can see your leads or leads inbox. This is where you can view your chatbot, your live chat, web forms, and you can also access messaging from there. So here under deals, you'll be able to see the different products that may have been purchased or what's the status of the product you have. And here under projects, these are the things that you are currently working on the account. But as you can see, it actually, in order for you to make use of this feature, you will need to purchase a plan for this. Same as the campaigns as well. There's a need for you to purchase a plan for that. Here under mail, you can view your inbox, the message sent, your documents, and you can also connect this to your email so that it will be linked. So whatever email you'll receive in your work email, this will be viewed here into your Pipedrive. And here is your activities. You can actually set a group call or a meeting rather, task, and even objectives. And you can also schedule it here. You can have different views. For example, you wanted a calendar view, then you can just set on a specific date. If you want to input a meeting, you just need to click on the date that you want and the time as well. So basically, this is where you can schedule the work or schedule the time for your members or your employees as well, or just for you to keep track on your business. Here under people or contacts, you'll be able to view or add your customers or your employees so that they will be reminded as well the task or the things that they need to do on that specific project. Then just click on save. And here you can add a person. It's another way for you to add a person here. So you can add notes, emails, or details. You can also schedule a meeting or a call here as well. And also a deadline as well, which is very important. You can set deadlines as well to your members. Here is insights. So this is most likely how you will be able to preview on what's the progress of a specific project or what is the progress of your business that you have. And here under products, you will be able to view the products that you will be selling. And under marketplace, these are specific leads or other platforms that would help you grow or help your business grow more. And on the three dots menu, you'll be able to see more features that you will be able to make use in order for your business to improve. And that's about it. That's how you will be able to use Pipedrive for your business. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.